camera died here, so I want you to take the two different experiences we had. We call these thought maps, okay? Look at the first map and the second map. And I want you to compare, what are the differences in your thoughts in the two maps, if there are any.
I feel like there's more hope in the second map. There was not so negative thoughts, more neutral thoughts. I think more reasonable thoughts. I would describe it.
Okay. What about your body? Think of the experience from the first to the second time we did this. Were there any differences in the way your body felt?
Yeah, it was a lot looser. Wasn't clenching the pen as hard. Yeah, just more relaxed.
What happened with your temperature? You said your temperature was up.
It's good. It don't feel as warm. Just feel neutral. Feel a little bit better.
So if you were to have to function in this second space, how would that be compared to in the first thing that we did?
I mean, I always think that whenever I'm calmer, more neutral, I definitely am able to accomplish more things, think through things more clearly, able to get better or through the day-to-day stuff better.
Okay. So now I want to provide you with a little bit of understanding behind what this all is, okay? Your body has a lot of different systems, right? You've got like your central nervous system, right? That controls all your nerves. What are some other systems in your body?
What other systems?
Yeah.
I don't know.
So you got
Nervous system?
endocrine system, your digestive system, right? You got tons of systems. Have you ever heard of the identity system?
I haven't.
Okay. So the identity system evolved in humans to help differentiate us. It's what helps us be ourselves. And it evolved to help us, get things done, to be individuals, to form societies. And so in and of itself, the identity system is not the problem. It's just another one of your body systems. However, if overactive, or if in control of you, then it leads to a breakdown in your true functioning, your truest self, your truest functioning. And so what mind-body bridging is it's an attempt to calm down the identity system, to befriend the identity system, to return us to our true and natural functioning, okay? The identity system, if overactive, it makes it so that we can't do all the things we want to do. I have a little metaphor here for you. Do you like metaphors?
I love metaphors.
Object lesson, okay? So what I have here is a cup. This cup represents Dennis, okay? And Dennis's ability to, maybe I'll pull this down so that the camera can see it. Dennis's ability to cope, deal, and function, okay? And this water is Dennis's pain, anxiety, whatever it may be. Okay? So when your identity system is fully activated, over-functioning, this is what you're like. So what is your ability to deal with your pain, stresses, and anxiety?
Not that much.
Not that much, right?
Right.
You're at max. In fact, sometimes does it even spill over the top?
Yeah.
Okay. So what mind-body bridging attempts to do is basically this. So let's imagine this cup is also your ability to deal with, to function through your stress, your pain, okay? So as you learn these tools, take a look in there. What would be your ability, if this is your ability to function, what is it now?
Looks like there's a little more ability to deal with things as they come.
Okay? Has the actual issue changed at all?
No.
Is there any more water? Is there any more pain or problem in this?
Mm-hmm.
It's the exact same amount. As you get even better at it, it might look like this. Okay? So the goal of this is to try to help you function. It's not to take away the pain or the problem, because it's probably not really possible, right? Life has problems, life has pain, life has troubles, life has anxiety. But the way that we do that, okay, we use some tools. And you and I have just used one of them, okay? That's these. These are called thought maps. Okay, the point of the thought map, I can never remember this off the top of my head, is to help us befriend the I system. That might seem a little like a weird statement. It's to help us recognize that the I system is functioning and that is what's causing us the issue, okay? Another tool that we use is thought labeling. Remember when you were doing it and I said, if you have a thought, I want you to say that's just a thought, okay? So in time, we'll teach you how to label your thoughts and for you to understand what those thoughts mean. That'll be in a later session. And then the third thing is sensory awareness. What did we do between the first and second map that you did?
Notice my senses.
Okay? And the reason we do that is because it physiologically rests the I system. So you got this I system that all of a sudden, what we did the first map is I lit up your I system. I had you really focus on the problem, right? And how did you feel?
Body temperature going up, headache,
How were your thoughts?
cluttered, rapid.
These are the classic signs of an overactive I system. You have mind clutter, mind tension, body tension, that anxiety, okay? That's the classic sign that your I system is overactive. So we had you come to your senses. I had you map, and I had you come to your senses, do sensory awareness, and that calms the I system down, okay? So, do you have any does that make sense?
Yeah, it does.
And, we're gonna get more into, some of the things that the I system does to cause us problems, or, make it so that we don't function at our best. I mean, you said on your second map, you'd function a lot better in that mind and body space than in the first, right?
Right.
So we'll get more into that. For this week, what I want you to do, I'm gonna give you a little bit of homework, okay? I want you to, at least one time this week, when you're feeling some anxiety or some stress about a situation, I want you to pull out and I want you to do a 2-part map, just like we did. Just write everything that comes to your mind, word vomit. Notice how it made you feel in your mind, how your thoughts are, and in your body. And then I want you to sit and take 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes, and just pay attention to your surroundings, come to your senses, breathe, and then do the same thing. And I want you to compare just like we did and see if there's a difference. Will you do that?
I can do that.
Okay. All right, we're gonna help you get through this, Dennis.
I appreciate it.